Hey guys, today I'm going to show you very briefly how to draw a histogram on your TI-Nspire calculator. So there are two ways to do this. The first is if you have a list of data that's not grouped using a frequency table, but just a raw list of data. So let's enter one. Doesn't really matter what you put. I'm going to have some repeating more than others, and that's good enough. Now you have to actually name your variable. So at the top where it says A, you have to give that variable a name. Let's call it data. Okay, so now that we have our data entered, we now have to add a new page. One quick way to do this is to go Control Doc, and you add a data and statistics page. You can also do this from the home screen on your calculator. And you can see it's tried to guess by default that I want data. You can change which variables it puts on the X and Y axis by clicking on these axes. Click data on the X axis. And it's kind of, you can kind of see it's making it into a histogram-like graph already, but we want bars. So now we click on Menu. There's a plot type, histogram. And there you have it. There's our histogram. Now another frequent situation would be if you had data that was in a organized in a frequency table. So I'm going to actually make a new document. Let's forget about what we've done so far. I'm going to enter add a list. Okay, now I'm going to use a frequency table. So I have the data values 3, 4, 5, and let's say I had 1 occurring 10 times, 2 occurring 14 times, 5 occurring 15, 4 occurring 9 times, and 5 occurring 20 times. And again, I always have to label these data values. So I'm going to call A data, and B is my frequency. So I'm going to call it FREQ. Now, similar to before, I want to add a new page. I'm going to hit Control Doc, add a data and statistics page, and certainly our X value is going to be data. Now, to access the frequency list, to make it frequency, go to Menu, Plot Properties, add Y summary list. A summary list is like a frequency table. Go to frequency, and boom, you get your histogram. So this is a very quick way to do a histogram quickly on your TI-Nspire. Thanks.